Today we are going to go over a few things that make cleaning a bathroom easier. First up is a handheld shower head. These kind of shower heads don't just make washing your body easier. They are also great for cleaning a shower. If the cleaning product requires to be rinsed off with water, a handheld shower head cuts that step down dramatically. They can also be used when you are washing your hair or body to remove any shampoo, conditioner, or soap that may have gotten onto the shower walls or doors. A squeegee for glass shower doors and walls. Using a squeegee to remove water off the glass in a shower after each use is very important. Not only does it help prevent water and soap scum buildup, when it comes to your regular cleaning of the shower, you don't have to use any harsh cleaning chemicals to remove those hard water spots or buildup. You can use anything you love to clean, like an all-purpose cleaner or even a glass cleaner. And using a squeegee makes it so you don't have to scrub or scrape the glass to make it look fabulous. Disinfectant wipes. Disinfectant wipes are great when you need something for a quick clean. If you have toothpaste in your sink, a dark ring in your bathtub, or when somebody missed the toilet bowl, they're actually great for keeping things look clean in between your regular cleaning. Next up, we have a toilet bowl brush. We understand that not everyone likes the look of having that toilet bowl brush next to a toilet, but having a brush readily available helps when the bowl needs to have a quick clean. Not to mention, you don't have to walk around your home with a brush that was just used to clean a toilet. Toilets should be maintained before hard water has a chance to form. If you don't want to see it, you can keep the brush out of sight, but you should be maintaining your toilet. Bathroom exhaust fans. Exhaust fans serve an important function. Your bathroom needs airflow to remove moisture, humidity, odors, and other pollutants from the air. Exhaust fans help improve airflow that can prevent mold from growing, and they can also make the bathroom more comfortable. Clutter-free countertops. The more you have on your countertops, the more you have to move when you are doing your regular cleaning. Having enclosed shelving and storage to put things away helps for an easier cleanup. Hanging hand towel. Hand towels help prevent the spread of bacteria and they contribute to a cleaner environment. Hand towels can be used by multiple different people. Having them close to a sink helps prevent water from dripping all over the bathroom. If you are depending on a full-size bath towel, be aware that you are drying your body with the same towel multiple people have dried their hands with. And let's be honest, hand towels get dirty much faster than a full-size towel. And you don't know if the spot you're drying your hands with was just used to dry someone's rear end. Do us a favor and please leave us a comment letting us know things you have in your bathroom that makes cleaning easier. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have an amazing day.